It's Miguel. No food, no water, in the wild. There's a bird's nest up there. Oh my god, I almost dropped the phone. There's my house. I don't think it's gonna break if it falls from here. It's grass below it. So it's not gonna break. There's a bird's nest up there, I think. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of birdy and nesty.
Oh god, I caught it. Holy crap.
I got a stick.
There's Miguel up in the trees. There's a sun glare, so you can't exactly see him. Come on. Ooh, bright. Not bright. Bright. Not bright. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna like record this with my phone too.
Oh dude, there's something flapping in it.
What did you think it's a squirrel or something? We're way off.
Ah!
What? What the hell are you doing?
Oh my god, I'm getting out of here. It was a freaking cicada.
What?
It was a cicada.
Is that a cicada nest?
It's a
Wait,
cicada.
they don't nest, do they? Was it seriously a cicada?
Dude, that was a thing flapping so freaking loud.
Dude, get the hell out of there, then. Come on.
Did you hear that, dude?
I heard it, I didn't see it. Damn.
Get angry at me.
Come on, man.
Angry at me.
You got this.
I'm mad. I should have never done that.
Told you. Come on, just fall again. Like... Take your phone back.
That's it for today's episode, folks. See you later.